Hi, my name is Seong Yul Kim. People around me here call me James Kim. I'm working at Nextchip. Nextchip is the fabless semiconductor company in Korea, and we have several certifications for CMMI Level 3, ISO 26262, and ASPICE Level 3 for our customers who is in automotive field. Today I'm going to introduce you about one of our product lineup, which is image transmission technology. AHD. AHD is the analog HD transmission technology, which is very much effective for who is using the LVDS, which is very normally used. So AHD is, we have ISP line of product, and it has the AHD TX embedded. So people who ever use the ISP can use the AHD freely, and they can just add it one RX in the receiving side. And we don't actually say that our chipset and our RX is the cost effective, but when we consider the whole camera system, it is very much effective for the LVDS camera system. And here you can see the surround view monitoring system. The software comes from our mother company, NCN, but this camera system is consisted by AHD system. So total 4 camera transmission has been done through the AHD, and it can show just like the LVDS camera system. We have checked it, all the image quality, and there is still degradation because of the distance, but at least we can, AHD can transmit over 30 meters, and in different cable, then more than 50 or 100 meters can be done. So this is really good for the heavy vehicles and buses and some special vehicles. So thank you for watching the Nextchip's demonstration, and please come forward me or our company website, nextchip.com. Thank you so much.